In this Selenium tutorial, we will be learning about Selenium, its advent, components, advantages and limitations, and lastly, its job roles and salaries. Selenium is an automated testing tool that tests web applications across various platforms and browsers. Selenium is a powerful automation tool and comprises a suite of components viz. Selenium IDE, RC, WebDriver, and Grid. The video has brushed upon the topics in brief and explains the following concepts. 1. Manual testing and its challenges. 2. Advent of Selenium. 3. What is Selenium? 4. Selenium suite of tools. 5. Advantages of Selenium testing. 6. Limitations of Selenium testing. 7. Selenium jobs and salary. What will I learn? The course is ideal for 1. Test managers. 2. Test engineers. 3. Test lead. 4. Test analyst. 5. QA engineers. 6. Software developers. 7. Engineers who want to learn automation testing.